Here's a program called Spin. So if we take that program and we run it over here, so Spin, this program has a while loop that does nothing. So when we run this program, it'll never stop. Okay. And if I start a new terminal and run top there, then it's going to show up as using a lot of the CPU. It's using 84% of the CPU, 82%, and what 82% of that CPU means, or 94 now, is that the operating system has swapped my process in, A.out, most of the time, and it's not spending much time relative to that on others. You see this process ID is 3466, so I will also see that if I do psax. Let's grep for A.out. Don't actually need the X, but you can see that process 3466 is also reported by PS. Whereas if I hit Control-C over here to stop that program, then we'll see that it's not going to be on top, and also it doesn't show up in PS. The only thing that has A.out is the grep process that I was running to look for it in the output of PS. So we've seen that PS can show you the processes, and kill is another way to interrupt a process. So if I try running Spin again, and I can find it with PS, I can use kill 3528 because that's the process ID, and you can see in the background it terminated without me hitting Control-C. So kill is able to terminate a process given its process ID. Here's another variant of Spin, and this one, for reasons that we'll talk about next time, is a less cooperative version of Spin because it turns out that Control-C is not going to work on it. So let's take this version of Spin, compile it, run it, and you can't see my keyboard, but you can see the Control-C there. It turns out it didn't make the program stop. And furthermore, if I go to my other terminal, get its process ID of the spinning process, and I try to kill 3557, you can see in the background it didn't stop. It's still running, which we can see from top. A.out is still there. But there is a way to kill this process. Kill-9 is a way to kill any process that you control. And that's because -9 is another signal called kill, which a program cannot just ignore, like it can ignore Control-C or the normal kill. So you can see the man page for kill for lots more information about different signals and different ways you can control processes.